anybody tell me what were we doing yesterday? Can anybody tell me what were we doing yesterday? Children?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
are discussing the
Alzia
size
Bano,
of
one minute, one. Alzia Bano will tell me what we were doing yesterday and what we are supposed to do today. Tell me. What are we supposed to do today? Alzia Bano.
सर वी साइटोप्लाज्म तक कर लिया था,
Very good.
न्यूक्लियस भी कर लिया था
Okay. और
सर, यहाँ तक भी किया था सर.
ठीक है. Today we will discuss the functions of the cell organelles. Okay, children, and we will also differentiate between plant cell and an animal cell, and by this we will finish up the chapter. Okay, children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let us write down cell organelles and their functions. 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 Okay, children. Let us write first of all about cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is also known as plasma membrane. It is also known as what? Plasma membrane. I told you yesterday or not? I told you about plasma membrane. See,
Yes, sir.
plasma membrane is the outermost covering of a animal cell. Outermost covering of an animal cell. It is semi-permeable. What do we mean by semi-permeable? Let me tell you. Semi-permeable means it does not allow all the substances to enter the cell. It allows only limited substances to enter the cell. It does not allow solute particles to leave or enter a cell. It allows only solvent molecules. Okay, children? So we will write one by one about cell membrane. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
Right
Okay,
now.
sir.
First, it separates, it separates, it separates, it separates cells from one another, and also the cell from the surrounding medium, and also the cell from the surrounding medium, surrounding medium. Okay, children? ठीक है? तो ये this is the outermost boundary of the cell. Which cell? Which cell? Shubham, are you there? Shubham? I think Shubham has not joined today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there.
Shubham, I have asked one question that the plasma membrane is the outermost covering of which type of cell?
Sir, plant cell. Sir, animal cell.
You are not sure. That means where were you? Why are you joining the class so late?
Sir, there is a network problem, sir. That's why.
Oh, okay. So children, yesterday also I told you, Shubham, that plant cells have, in addition to cell membrane, they have a cell wall also. So the outermost covering of a plant cell is cell wall, but in an animal cell, the outermost covering is plasma membrane, because in animal cells, the cell wall is absent. Okay? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us write down. Second point. The plasma membrane is porous. पोरस का मतलब क्या हो गया? इट इज ए मेम्ब्रेन ना, सो इट हैज टू बी पोरस. मेम्ब्रेन है तो it will allow some particles to enter and it does not allow some particles to enter the cell. Okay children, third one, this is very very important about plasma membrane. Please write down children. Okay, this is very very important.
The plasma membrane is porous and allows the movement of substances or materials both inward and outward.
Very good, very good. Alzia Bano, you are reading from the textbook, very good. But beyond this, I have told you that plasma membrane allows the movement of only solvent molecules and does not allow the solute molecules. Do you understand what is solvent and what is solute? Alzia Bano? Alzia Bano? Do you know the difference between solute and solvent? I will make you understand. First, listen. Can anyone tell me what is solute and what is solvent? Yes, Karthikeyan, tell me. Yes, Karthikeyan. Okay, he's not responding. Rehan Khan, are you there? Rehan Khan. Rehan Khan. Okay, let us not waste time. लिखेंगे plasma membrane is semi-permeable membrane as it allows the movement of solvent molecules across it, but do not allow solvent molecules to pass across it. बात समझ में आ गई? नहीं आई तो मैं आपको बताता हूं. Suppose, see, we have a beaker and in the beaker there are two components. Listen everyone. This is plasma membrane. These two compartments are separated by a plasma membrane. ये pores दिखा रहा हूं मैं आपको. These circles are pores present in the plasma membrane. Are you understanding, children, or not? Are you understanding?
Understood
Yes,
now.
sir.
Try to listen, try to understand. Suppose here we have water. See, this is very very important. This is pure water. अगर ये हम लोग pure water है, ठीक है, इसमें pure water है और इसमें है sugar solution. Please pay attention. अब sugar solution में क्या क्या होगा बेटा? Sugar solution में क्या होगा?
Sugar and water.
Sugar plus water. Very good. Sugar plus water. This is the solution. Okay. Now, in the solution, there are two components. One is the solute and the other is the solvent. The component which is present in less amount is called solute, and the component which is present in higher amount or more amount, it is called what? Solvent. ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पे solvent कौन है और solute कौन है बेटा? बताओ चिन्मय. Can you tell me?
Water is solute and sugar solution is solvent.
Listen, Chinmay, I think you have not heard what have I said. See, listen, Chinmay, listen. Keep quiet. Karishma, please keep quiet. Chinmay, I have told that the component of the solution which is present in large amount, which is present in more amount, is called solvent, and the other component which is present in less quantity or less amount is called solute. तो sugar solution में ज्यादा amount में कौन होता है?
Water.
Water.
चिन्मय, तो water is what? Water is solute or solvent?
Solvent.
Very good. Now you are correct. So water is solvent. Please pay attention. And what is sugar?
Solute.
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 Very good. ठीक है ना? तो solute plus solvent they make up a solution. They make up a solution. ठीक है ना बेटा? Now there are two types of solutions. One is pure water. इधर pure water में कोई solute है क्या? Is there any solute in pure water?
No, sir.
कोई solute नहीं है. यहाँ पे sugar solution है. अब these are separated by a plasma membrane. क्या है बेटा?
Plasma membrane.
अब प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के अक्रॉस कौन पास हो जाता है और कौन पास नहीं होता है? अभी मैंने लिखवाया यहाँ पे कौन पास हो जाता है और कौन पास नहीं होता है. टेल मी.
सर सॉल्वेंट पास हो जाता है और सॉल्यूट पास नहीं होता.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेल डन. तो इन विच डायरेक्शन सॉल्वेंट विल मूव? सॉल्वेंट कौन है यहाँ पे? दोनों में वाटर है, तो वाटर कहां से कहां मूव करेगा?
नो सर, सॉल्यूट पास हो जाता है.
देख लो ऊपर देखो. कौन है? खुशहाली गौर. देखो ऊपर. The plasma membrane is porous. Plasma membrane is semi-permeable as it allows only the movement of solvent molecules across, but do not allow solute molecules to pass across it. Khushali, you are not seeing the board also.
Sorry sir.
अब बताओ तेजस चौधरी. तेजस चौधरी, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
अब बताओ बेटा पानी कहां से कहां मूव करेगा? See, water will move from a region where its concentration is higher to a region where its concentration is lower across the plasma membrane. Now you might be in a position to decide the direction of movement of water molecules in this beaker. कहां से कहां move करेगा water? बोलो. Rajab, can you tell?
Sir, where its concentration is high and there where its concentration is low.
हाँ, तो कहां से कहां मूव करेगा? प्योर वाटर से इस तरफ मूव करेगा, शुगर सॉल्यूशन की तरफ. ठीक है ना? अरे आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so this process of movement of solvent molecules from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration across the plasma membrane is called osmosis. It's called what?
Osmosis.
Osmosis. बात अभी मैं osmosis का एक एग्जांपल बताता हूं आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं. Listen everyone. Listen. Most of you might be consuming resins, dried resins. Have you seen?
Yes sir.
किशमिश यूज करते हो आप लोग? किशमिश.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
किशमिश आप कैसे किशमिश यूज करते हो? किशमिश क्या होती है? दे श्रिंक इन साइज. उनका साइज कम होता है ना, छोटा हो जाता है कि नहीं हो जाता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Most of the mothers, what they do, they put that dried resins in water for a night. What happens to those resins after a night? Can you tell me?
They will be.
Yes. What
They
happens?
they
They soak
become
the water
large
and
in
they
size.
become big in size.
Yeah, very good. It happens due to the process of osmosis. It
Osmosis.
happens due to the process of osmosis. Because see, this what we can say, this dried resins, they are plant cells, so they absorb water from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. The water concentration inside the resin, dried resin, was less, so water from outside was entered inside it across the plasma membrane by the process we call this process is called osmosis.
Osmosis.
Okay, and when it bursts, it is called plasmolysis. क्या हो जाता है इसका?
Plasmolysis.
Let us write.
Plasmolysis.
Shall I rub the board now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Yes, sir.
have you drawn this figure? Have you drawn this figure?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Direction of movement of water. Direction of movement of water. Direction of movement of water, and water is a solvent. Water is a solvent, children. Okay? Okay? Now I'm going to rub the board and I'm going to write the definition of osmosis. What is osmosis? The process of movement of solvent molecules from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration across plasma membrane is called osmosis. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Shall I rub the board now?
Sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm giving you time to note. Please note
Yes,
down.
sir.
Okay, very good. Now I'm rubbing the board.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Osmosis. The process of movement of solvent molecules, movement of solvent molecules, water, ब्रैकेट में मैं water लिख देता हूं, water from the region of their higher concentration, from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration is called osmosis. Concentration across plasma membrane, ये जरूर लिखना जरूरी है. Across plasma membrane, concentration across the plasma membrane. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन कैसी मेम्ब्रेन है? प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन कैसी मेम्ब्रेन है? सेमी परमेएबल की परमेएबल?
Semi-permeable.
What is meant by semi permeable?
It can the things some of the
It allows the solvent molecules across, but do not allow solute molecules to pass across.
Okay, very good. It's called osmosis. For example, dried resins when soaked in water, swell in size due to osmosis. ठीक है बेटा, बात आगे समझ में?
Yes,
आगे की
sir.
नहीं? And what is the other function that is performed by plasma membrane? It gives shape to the cell. Plasma membrane के बारे में लिख रहे हैं हम लोग. It gives shape to the cell. ठीक है? तो ये हो गई सेल मेम्ब्रेन या प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बारे में बात. अब हम लोग बात करते हैं सेल वॉल के बारे में. ठीक है? Have you noted, children? Can we rub the board?
No, sir, please.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Don't say yes or no. Please.
No, sir.
I am giving you 2 minutes time to note. Please note down.
Noted, sir.
Okay, very good. I am rubbing the board now, and then we will see another part or component of the
Please do not.
that is the cell wall. Now you can note from your friends, children. Okay, you can take the help of your friends. You can note because time is running fast and we have to finish the chapter today itself. Okay, then it's cell wall. See, it is the outermost covering of plant cells. Okay, it provides protection. Against variations of temperature, wind speed, and atmospheric pressure. High wind speed and atmospheric pressure. Okay, children. So plants, since they are exposed to the external environment, so they need an extra covering that is called a cell wall, because they are exposed to external environment of temperature, pressure, high wind speed, so they have to bear that. That is why they have been provided by the nature an additional covering called cell wall. Okay, children? The cell wall in plants is made up of, can anybody tell me? Cell wall किस चीज की बनी होती है? Cell wall is made up of cellulose. It is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a carbohydrate, is a kind of carbohydrate which makes up the cell wall. Okay, children? Cell wall is permeable. यानी क्या है? वो क्या था? सेमी परमेबल था और ये क्या है? परमेबल है. तो परमेबल का मतलब क्या है? It allows the movement of all substances, that means solute plus solvent, it allows the movement of all substances across it. Okay, children? Okay, is there any problem?
No, sir.
Please note down. And then listen, in animals, the plasma membrane provides the cell shape. Same function is performed by the cell wall in the plants. It is rigid and it provides rigidity and turgidity to the cell. It provides rigidity to the cell. ठीक है बेटा? It provides rigidity to the cell. Any problem? Now,
No, sir.
okay. अब आ जाते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट. कल हमने साइटोप्लाज्म के बारे में तो पढ़ लिया था कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब हम लोग न्यूक्लियस के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Shall I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nucleus is the controlling center of the cell. As our brain controls our body, similarly, the various activities inside a cell are controlled by
No, sir.
eh? Are controlled by nucleus. Nucleus, children. Write down.
The nucleus works like mind of the cell.
Yeah. Nucleus is also called brain of the cell. That is why I use the term controlling center. Okay, nucleus. Nucleus. It is the controlling center of the cell. It is the controlling center of the cell. Okay. It has a well-developed membrane called nuclear membrane. Called what? Nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Okay.
Nuclear is separated from cytoplasma by a nuclear membrane.
Okay. Inside the nucleus, there is a smaller spherical body inside the nucleus. Spherical body called nucleolus. Called what? Nucleolus. Called nucleolus. Okay, children. Nucleus contains thread-like structures. Called chromosomes.
Chromatins.
Chromosomes, beta. Structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes which carry genes. What are genes? Genes are the
DNA.
Genes are nothing but they are the character bearing entities that are transferred from parents to the offspring. Okay, children. And help in inheritance का मतलब होता है एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन को पास करना. Inheritance of characters from one generation to the other.
Sir, they are hereditary carriers.
That is what, na? They are transferred from characters from one generation to the other. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now this was all about nucleus. Then see, today the chapter is not the chapter is not yet finished, children. Now we will see.
Yes, sir.
We will see the differences between plant cell and animal cell. Okay. Now shall I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub the board?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See. Plant cell and animal cell. Please.
Have larger vacuoles.
Very good, very good. Plant cells have larger vacuoles, but they are less in number. They are less in number. ठीक है बेटा? ठीक है कि नहीं?
Yes,
Plant cell and
Plant
animal
cell differ from animal cell in having an additional layer around the cell membrane termed cell wall.
Very good, very good. Plasma, well done. Plant cell, it has cell wall. It does not have cell wall. It does not have cell wall. ठीक है? और प्लांट सेल में it has chloroplast. It does not have chloroplast. It does not have chloroplast. It does not have chloroplast. ठीक है? Then in plant cells, vacuoles are larger in size, but lesser in number. नंबर में तो कम होते हैं, लेकिन साइज में बड़े होते हैं प्लांट सेल्स में. ठीक है बेटा? वैक्यूल्स. और एनिमल सेल्स,
Sir, they are not having nucleus at the center.
who?
Sir, plant cell.
अरे listen, Rehan Khan, Rajab or Rehan, who is speaking at the moment?
Sir,
Rajab, okay. Rajab, listen. We are here discussing the differences between plant cell and animal cell. That means what components are found in plant cell and what components are not found in a plant cell or animal cell. Okay, children. So that is what we are discussing at the moment. We are not here discussing कि वो न्यूक्लियस इधर है कि उधर है. न्यूक्लियस है ना उसमें? न्यूक्लियस तो दोनों में होता है, प्लांट सेल में भी होता है और एनिमल सेल में भी होता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So here we will write vacuoles are smaller in size, but more in number. ठीक है बेटा? So these are the basic differences between plant cells and animal cells. Okay? You can complete the table 8.1 in your textbook and note down in your notebook. Are you listening, children? You can complete the table 8.1. Okay?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Yes.
sir, we can draw the pictures.
8.7 A and B, both you have to draw. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So with this we have completed the chapter. Now what you are supposed to do?
Exercise.
Exercise and notes you have to complete in your notebook, and you have to scan and make PDF file, single PDF file of notes and exercise of the chapter, and you have to send in Google Classroom. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir, no problem.
Okay. So thank you and have a nice day, children.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Okay, children.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
See, children, I have written your answer sheet. Have you received your answer sheet of first periodic test?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.